Which side would I be better on?
Probably on the other side. So this was a frame that came with the nuke that had brood on it, but they're backfilling everything with nectar. That side don't look like they've done much with. Dark as these frames are, I can't see down in there. I like the black foundations, but when everything's black, it's...
Yeah, the second we can, these frames are going to be suckled out.
I'm thinking I see eggs down in there, but I'm having a hard time seeing. Sorry.
I'm trying to look down in there for you.
Pretty sure there's eggs in the bottom of them. Both sides. I'm hoping so. Hey. Oh.
And so far, the temperament of these aren't horrid. We have Italians that are way worse.
I wouldn't say way worse, but compared to these, yes. But it's a very light colony too.
That's true. It's a nice brood.
So